I'm Engineer Abdullahi A, Sule, the Executive Governor of Nasarawa State. I invite you to Nasarawa Investment Summit 2026, scheduled to hold on 6th and 7th of May here in Lafia, our state capital. Over the past 7 years, our administration has transformed Nasarawa State into one of Nigeria's most competitive investment destinations through bold reforms, improved ease of doing business, and strategic investments across agriculture, mining, infrastructure, and manufacturing. From our inaugural 2022 summit, Diamond in the Rough, which showcased our vast potentials, to the 2024 Industrial Renaissance, where we accelerated our structured development. We now move forward with a clear vision to institutionalize progress, strengthen investor confidence, and secure a sustainable future for Nasarawa State. The 2026 summit, termed Bold Transitions, Building a Legacy for a Sustainable Future, marks a defining moment as we consolidate our achievements and set the stage for the next phase of economic growth. It will feature high-level policy dialogues, an investment deal room, investment showcases, MSME competition, strategic engagements with global and local investors, as well as launching of the Lafia Declaration, a commitment by stakeholders to sustain economic reforms. I invite investors, development partners, entrepreneurs, and all stakeholders to be part of this summit. Join us to build a resilient and prosperous Nasarawa State. Nasarawa means business.